Hey everyone! So today an 8x20, but we're going to be playing with this funnel. This came with that measuring cup that we did on the last video. I also picked these cookie cutters up at Kmart when I was at the beach. So I thought we will do some little, I don't know if I want the big ones. We'll go with a smaller one. Some little funnel pores. To put color inside of those circles. So I'll take the first two out. I use these for when I resin coasters, so they work pretty well. Alright, so that's telling me I need, let's move that one there. I'm going to need 5 little cups of paint, because then we're going to tilt and do some fun stuff with that. So I'm going to use paper cups because they're bendable, and I can short 1 cup. They're bendable and I can chuck them when I'm done. So let's start with a little bit of white, since that's our base color. We're just going to make these a little fun. Don't need a ton of paint, that's for sure. Okay, so let's go with some green. Let's go with the phthalo yellow green. I want to make these fun. And we'll use, I'll actually leave that there. That is a Grumbacher paint, by the way. Let's put a metallic in there. So how about if we do some peridot? And that is from Folk Art. Hard paint to find. When you find it, get enough. And then we'll do some Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. And then we want something dark, so let's go with Soho Phthalo Green Blue. And then I think I'm going to do a gold, so I think that'll give us a nice highlight to that contrast color. And I'm going to add one more color. Excuse me. Lucas Indigo. That'll give us our dark. Okay. We are good. I hope. Plenty of paint. Alright, so we're just going to place the funnel inside of one of these. I'm going to pinch our cup and pour that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and just go around and release that paint. I do want to do a shot of white in there, because I need something to puddle in. So it's almost like a sandwich pour. We're going to leave that alone while we do the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Because each one is a different size, we should get a different effect. Looking cool. Okay. Sorry, I got really quiet, didn't I? I was watching the FedEx truck, actually. Okay. I'll do this one. Because I know I didn't order anything. I've been gone. So we're going to have plenty of paint here to play. Probably too much. But I pull skins like crazy. I actually did about 40 already today from 4 paintings. So we'll be doing a video on that snap jewelry here shortly. Okay. So I'll flip that upside down, let that drain out. So now we're going to release these cups. And I am pulling the white over just a little bit to give me more cell action. Okay, let me let that set a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tilt this off really quick, and we'll be done with our video. Cool. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Join us on Monday nights at 9 p.m. We're live every Monday. And join our group, the Parage Posse, on Facebook. All the links are below. And have yourselves a great day. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.